What do insurance companies think is the most likely risk for a property owner in Oklahoma? Hey, what's up? It's Ryan with Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are on a mission to transform the way individuals, families, and small business owners secure financial stability. Today, I want to talk about something that's common on a lot of insurance policies in Oklahoma and this part of the country especially, and that is wind, hail deductibles. Now, if you live in Oklahoma or you've ever visited Oklahoma that time of year, you know that things can get a little hairy in the spring and early summer. And heck, you can even see major hailstorms late winter, early autumn. It's just a fact of life here in this part of the country. Hailstorms, they come through, they completely wreck whole cities, can just be demolished by hailstorms. A little exaggeration there, but you get the point. Hailstorms cause so much damage in Oklahoma, and the same with wind. Not just tornadoes, but strong winds that happen in spring and those storms that come through. Those are two huge risks that insurance companies see. So, in their opinion, they're more likely to pay out a claim on those two types of risk. Now, you've got so many other types of risks on a property policy, but those two are what insurance companies feel are the most common. Therefore, you have a standard deductible for all other perils or causes of loss. And then you've got a deductible for wind or hail. Now, a 1% deductible was pretty common here in the last few years, but more and more we're seeing that bumped up to a 2% wind hail deductible. Now, that's typically 2% of the value of the building that's being covered. And if you've got $1 million building, then that can get pretty expensive. So there are some options to lower that or maybe do a deductible buyback. I can certainly talk about that more on a one-on-one basis or in a later video. But wind hail deductibles are there to make insurance more affordable. It's just the fact that if you're going to pay more in a deductible, that means you're taking on more of the risk of rebuilding that property, and the insurance company will lower their rates to do that. If you've got more questions about wind hail deductibles or property insurance, really any type of insurance, we'd be happy to have that conversation with you. Check us out online, smithsonsinsurance.com. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and of course here on YouTube. If you like our videos, please hit like, leave a comment, let us know what you think, maybe even subscribe. But it'd be a big help if you could tell someone you know, maybe someone you work with, or a family member or friend about our YouTube channel here and the videos we're putting out. So again, give us a call, visit our website, and let us know if we can help you with your property insurance. Thanks.